Hi PGs, welcome back to my channel. This week I have another head wrap tutorial for you, and this is the kente edition. So kente is a woven cloth popularly worn during festive occasions like weddings, naming ceremonies, anniversaries in Ghana. So it comes in strips like this, but if you wanted bigger, you would have to sew these pieces together to form a bigger head wrap or head scarf, which is duku as we call it in Ghana. This is 3 strips sewn together, and I'm showing the line of demarcation. So it's 1, 2, 3 strips, and the next one is 4 strips sewn together. So it depends on how big you want your scarf to be. Let's jump right into the tutorial. I'll probably dedicate a whole video to talk about this kente cloth. It's beautiful, it's colorful, rich, and it's elegant when it's worn. There is a meaning to the design, and even the choice of colors tell a story. Let me know and I'll do a video just for you.
Thank God that the brothers on the rise now. Endless celebrations all in my house. Levitating now, I'm super duper fly now. London boy, but DC where I reside now. Put the time in while you always yelling time out.
Okay guys, so you don't have to have a kente to do these styles. You can definitely use Ankara or any head wrap you have at home to achieve these styles. I only use kente because I wanted to do a kente edition, and that's all to it. Okay?
I like gold. They told me I'm the best, and I told them I know. Cause when I'm in your town, every ticket I sold. Yeah, they saying I'm the man. Facts, bro. Facts, lot of haters. Tell me where they at, though. I'm the new pop, all I do is rap, though. Want me on your song, throw a couple stacks, yo. Woo! Everybody wanna do the same thing. Yup, that's why we ain't on the same page. Do my own thing, and I maintain. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. I'm going mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. Yeah, I'm going mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. I'm going mainstream.
Thank you so much for watching, guys. I have series of tutorials lined up for you based on the feedback I had on my previous headscarf tutorial. I would like to say thank you, and for my appreciation, I have recorded 6 different videos to actually take you through the tutorials individually. So make sure you subscribe and activate the bell button to be the first to be notified when these videos drop on my channel, which is very, very soon. I mean, this week.